Hello, my viewers. Hope you are fine, doing well. Today we are diving into the magical world of Christmas party decoration with a classic twist. Yes, the traditional red and white theme, the color of love, purity, and joy. Whether you are planning a cozy family gathering or a festive evening with friends, and these ideas will make your celebration truly unforgettable. Hope you like. So, relax, sit back, and stay tuned with me till the end. Let's start right at the entrance because first impression always matter. Imagine your guest walking in through a doorway wrapped with red and white ribbons, fairy lights, and handmade wreath. You can create a beautiful DIY wreath using pine cones, jute, or even recycled material. Just spray them white tie and red bow on top and hang it proudly on your door. Add a small welcome sign saying Merry Christmas in golden or glitter letter for the extra festive charm. If you have a porch, hang red, white lantern and mini ornaments along the railing. Simple yet so enchanting. Once you step inside, the magic continues. Decorate your walls with garland made of paper, snowflakes, candy canes, and red velvet bows. You can also hang a few Christmas quotes written in calligraphy like believe in the magic of Christmas or joy the world. For a cozy touch, wrap white fabric on tulle on your wall or window and sprinkle artificial snow. Add a few string lights to bring that soft golden glow because nothing says Christmas like twinkling lights. If you love craft, make a few DIY hanging ornaments, red star, white bells, or snowman cut out and hang them from the ceiling. Uh, on on this channel, there's lots of amazing DIY projects and making great step-by-step tutorial you can visit and apply all these crafting on your Christmas decoration and party decoration. So now let's talk about the heart of the celebration, your Christmas tree. Red and white, these tree look elegant, timeless, and full of spirit. Start with white fairy lights to create a glowing base, then decorate with red and white ornaments, candy canes, mini Santas, and white snowflakes. You can even wrap a red velvet ribbon around the tree for the luxury touch. At the top, and white star on red angle symbolize hope and love. And don't forget to place a few wrap gift boxes underneath, even empty ones for a complete festive look. Now let's move the party tables where the all the fun and food comes together. Cover your table with white tablecloth and add red table corner in the center. Use red napkins tied with white ribbons. It's a small details that make a big difference. Place a centerpiece made of pine cones, candles, and artificial snow. Use empty glass jar, mason jar. If you want to rustic, use a wooden tray filled with red berries, cinnamon sticks, and white candies. It smells heavenly and look picture perfect. And name tags for each guest in red font. It add personal, thoughtful touch. Don't forget your food corner. Serve dessert that matured color themes: red velvet, cupcake, white chocolate, truffle, and strawberry milkshake. You can even decorate your drink with candy cane, streets or white whipped cream topping. Display everything on white plates with red borders or use DIY paper decoration to make it look inviting. If you have kids or want to add some creating fun, set a DIY craft corner. Keep some paper paint and cotton ready to everyone can make their own Santa hats or ornaments. Use recycled materials like old jar, fabric scrap or ribbon. You can also create a photo booth corner with red curtains, white snowflakes and Christmas props, perfect for capturing memories. To complete your Christmas party decoration, light up some scented candle, play soft Christmas music, and let the atmosphere fill with joy and laughter. Add a few white cushions and red throw on your sofas for cozy look. And remember, Christmas is not just about decoration, it's about love, togetherness, and graduates. So decorate your home with your heart, not just your hand. I'm sure you like the video. If you like, so must subscribe my channel. Enjoy these red and white theme decoration ideas. Merry Christmas and may your season sparkle with happiness and warmth. If you like, so please share with your friends and family, and subscribe my channel. Post your valuable and precious comment, which is very valuable for me. And I always stated that I really love to your support, your kindness. Your support is very important for me. Keep remember me in your prayers. If you are new, so please subscribe my channel and visit my channel. There's lots of amazing projects for your upcoming Christmas event. How to make your home beautiful with homemade craft. I'm posting lots of amazing crafting ideas and tutorials which can help you to make your home cozy, warmth and amazing shiny. So keep supporting me, keep watching, and again thanks for your support. Your comments very precious for me. I'm working on it and uploading according to your suggestion, your thoughts, and if something missing, so please must point out and advise. I'm 100% sure I am doing all of your suggestion and comments, read properly and working on it. So keep watching and keep supporting. Have a wonderful and amazing Christmas journey ahead. God bless you.